I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by chopping 8 ounces of white chocolate into small even pieces for uniform melting. Place chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over a low simmering pan or use microwave with 20-second bursts. Heat until the chocolate reaches 110 degrees F, stirring frequently to avoid scorching. Remove from heat and cool to 82 degrees F while stirring continuously to stabilize fats. Reheat briefly to 88 degrees F to finish tempering and create glossy, crisp set chocolate for coatings and decorations. Prepare items for coating by chilling them briefly and patting surfaces dry so no moisture contacts chocolate. Warm tempered white chocolate to 88 degrees F to maintain fluidity and gloss during dipping. If needed, add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil per 8 ounces to thin the chocolate without overheating. Use a dipping fork or tool, submerge the item fully, and lift while tapping to remove excess chocolate. Place dipped pieces on parchment and chill in refrigerator for 10 minutes until set and firm to the touch. White chocolate works well for drizzles, fillings, frostings, and molded shapes in baking and desserts. To make ganache, heat 8 ounces heavy cream and pour over 8 ounces chopped white chocolate, then stir until smooth for a soft, spreadable filling. Use tempered chocolate for shiny decorations and untempered chocolate for quick sauces. Store sealed tempered white chocolate in the refrigerator up to 2 weeks or freeze up to 3 months. Reheat gently to about 100 degrees F while stirring to return chocolate to a usable consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.